পশ্চিম বর্ধমানের দুর্গাপুরে উদ্বোধন হলো অত্যাধুনিক মডেল আদালত ভবন। শনিবার রাজ্যের প্রথম এই মডেল আদালতের উদ্বোধন করেন কলকাতা হাইকোর্টের প্রধান বিচারপতি টি.এস. শিবজ্ঞানম। অনুষ্ঠানে উপস্থিত ছিলেন রাজ্যের আইন, বিচার এবং শ্রম মন্ত্রী মলয় ঘটক, জেলা বিচারক দেবপ্রসাদ নাথ সহ মহকুমা আদালতের বিচারকরা। উদ্বোধনী অনুষ্ঠানে আইনজীবী থেকে সাধারণ মানুষের উপচে পড়া ভিড় নজর কাড়ে। প্রায় 40 কোটি টাকা ব্যয়ে তৈরি দুর্গাপুরের এই মডেল কাঠ আদালতে রয়েছে অত্যাধুনিক পরিকাঠামো। বিচার প্রক্রিয়ার প্রতি গতি এবং মান বাড়ানোর পাশাপাশি আইনজীবী এবং সাধারণ মানুষের জন্য তৈরি হয়েছে আরামদায়ক পরিবেশ। প্রশাসনের দাবি, এই নতুন উদ্যোগ বিচার ব্যবস্থাকে আরও দ্রুত, স্বচ্ছ এবং জনবান্ধব করে তুলবে।
The CEO was here. Plant is in the process of modernization, and this growth of industry has contributed to the development of Durgapur, because at that time people knew Kolkata, Calcutta then, in West Bengal. The next place they knew was Durgapur, and now in Jharkhand they knew Jamshedpur. Nobody knew Ranchi. So why? Because of the industrial development. So that has brought this town with less activity and more greenery into an industrial belt. Speaking for myself, I have got a small connection with Durgapur. My cousin, my first cousin, and her husband were in Durgapur for almost 25 years. Her husband retired as General Manager Quality from the Durgapur Steel Plant. And my cousin was a senior maths teacher in Carmel School. Anybody from Carmel School? Oh, okay. So nice. So they went back to Chennai in 2019. So that's the connection. But she had been inviting me to Durgapur for quite a long time. Her elder sister was in Bhilai. Her husband was in the Bhilai Steel Plant. But somehow I didn't get a vacation. So, but then today I am here. It's indeed really a proud moment. I need not mention about the history of this particular district, its development, etc. I think as a Chief Justice, Sri Moloy Ghatak, the Honorable Minister in charge, has in fact contributed a lot for this project. He had been inviting me to come to inaugurate this project. So I told the Honorable Minister, please do the inauguration to the new Chief Justice who will take charge shortly. He said, no sir, you have to come. Then I said, unless and until the PWD is not able to do it. So immediately he took up the matter, and with the active efforts of Mr. Siddhartha Kanjila, our Judicial Secretary, funds were sanctioned, and today the building has been inaugurated. It has become a reality. So we should thank all the stakeholders for being able to organize such a grand function today. And as informed by the learned district judge, the building is to be functional by first week of December 2025. Actually, this project was conceived in the year 2018, considering the space crunch faced by the judiciary and especially members of the bar. And as of now, I think it has crossed more than 29 crores, if I am right, and the funds have been released. And the superstructure, of course, there were, as pointed out by the learned district judge and sessions judge, there were some hiccups in between, but let us not talk about it. Now the project is complete. It is our duty to make it functional. So at this juncture, I thank the Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, for sanctioning sufficient funds on a timely basis. Though there was a lull in between. The project was conceived in 2018, administrative approval was granted in 2018, but we were able to declare the building open only in 2025. So let us not worry about the past. Now it has become a reality, and the facilities which have been provided is in accordance with the National Court Management System. This has been devised by the central government in consultation with the Honorable Supreme Court and also the other stakeholders from various high courts, and they have developed a prototype. What should be the height of the ceiling? What should be the width of the corridors? Where the washrooms should be located? Where the record room should be located? Where the lifts have to be placed, etc. The building has come up, but my only kind request to the learned members of the bar and to the law clerks is to preserve this building as it is. Most of you spend more time in court than in your respective residence, because every alternate Saturday is a working day. So technically 6 days you are here. So therefore it is our duty. How will we keep our home? You will not be throwing rubbish here and there. You will not allow your neighbor to encroach. Similarly, the same passion should go. Because wherever I go, I have repeated this often. Because I have found that I don't want to name the court complexes, where the building was opened in the morning, by 12:30 the entire common areas were encroached. The Honorable Minister is also aware, everybody is aware of which place was it. Then my predecessor Chief Justice had to take a tough stand, and then the encroachments were cleared. Space crunch is everywhere, but then once a new facility has been established, and this is a home away from home, so how do you take care of the building? It is for posterity. Today judges will come, judges will go. The bar will remain, because advocates don't retire, judges retire. So this I want to impress upon all of you. And I also take the opportunity to once again thank the Honorable Minister in charge for his proactive role, not only proactive role, his personal persuasion on the administrative and financial approval. The learned district judge in his inaugural speech or welcome speech mentioned that the Honorable Minister is the son of the soil. I knew about it. I took advantage of it. Whenever the members of the bar, either from Durgapur or Asansol come, I said, don't come to me, go to Writers Building. Your guardian is there. The moment he sanctions it, everything will be done. It has worked.
Was created long before bifurcating the Asansol subdivision in the year 1968. Now Durgapur subdivision has 6 police stations, 4 community development blocks, 4 panchayat samitis, 27 gram panchayats, 171 mojas and 151 inhabited villages, 1 municipal corporation and 38 census town within the jurisdiction of this law. While after coming to the power in 2011, the present government under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has been providing first governance and prompt delivery of various benefits to the citizens, along with the rendering of speedy justice to the litigants by creation of new districts, subdivisions and establishment of the district court at Paschim Bardhaman, Jhargram, Kalimpong and Alipurduar. Various new courts, construction of different court buildings and quarters for the judicial officers. While at this Durgapur court, the construction of G+4 building, composite court building at Durgapur, an amount of rupees 18 crore 38,75,000 was released on the first phase. Out of 23 crore 84 lakhs 44,000 for which administrative approval was sanctioned. An amount of rupees 2 crore 30 lakhs was again released in this phase 2, out of which 2 crore 42 lakhs for which administrative approval also given. And in the third phase, my lord, an amount of 2 crore 45 lakhs was accorded. Administrative approval for the financial sanction for another 25,83,000 was given, and another amount of rupees 3 crore 28 lakhs was released out of 3 crore 30 lakhs, for which administrative approval and financial sanction was accorded. Administrative approval for the financial sanction to the tune of rupees 1 crore 99 lakhs was also given for the IT works.